Have you ever wished you could turn back the clock, not just on your birthday, but on your body? The idea of reverse aging sounds like science fiction, but what does the actual science say? First, let's understand what aging really is. It's not just about the number of candles on your cake. At its core, aging is the accumulation of damage in our cells over time. Think of it like a car that gets scratches and bumps year after year. This damage is caused by a mix of our genes, our metabolism, and our environment. That's why your chronological age, the number of years you've lived, can be very different from your biological age, which is how old your body actually seems. Now, there's a big difference between slowing down aging and reversing it. We already know how to slow it down. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and good sleep can all hit the brakes on our body's decline. But reversing aging, that means actively restoring cells to a younger, more functional state. It's like taking that old car and making its engine run like it's brand new. That's a much taller order. So, how are scientists trying to do this? There are a few incredible fields of research. Top of the list is cellular reprogramming. Scientists are learning how to tweak our epigenetics, the instructions that tell our genes what to do to make old cells act young again. Another area is telomeres. These are the protective caps on the ends of our chromosomes, and they get shorter as we age. Finding ways to lengthen them could protect our DNA. And then there are senolytics, which are drugs designed to clear out old, malfunctioning cells that gunk up our tissues. Scientists can even measure our biological age using something called an epigenetic clock, which reads the chemical tags on our DNA. So far, the results are promising but preliminary. In lab settings, scientists have successfully reversed signs of aging in cells, and even in animals like mice, improving their organ function and health. But this isn't about making them immortal. It's about extending their healthy years. But humans are much more complex than mice. One major hurdle is the risk of cancer. The same cellular mechanisms that promote rejuvenation can sometimes trigger uncontrolled cell growth, and we can't ignore the massive ethical and societal questions. Who would get these treatments? What would it mean for our world if people could live significantly longer, healthier lives? The dream of a true fountain of youth is still a long way off. But the research is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Science may not be learning how to stop time, but it just might be learning how to negotiate with it. What do you think about this future? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for deeper exploration into the science of tomorrow. Thanks for watching.